Hi there, this is our town radial arm drill, English made, very big and heavy older drill. This one's in really good condition for its age. It's got the single axis tilting table here, the box table, very big column, really large capacity, simple in its features. It's got the manual locking system, and it ticks over really nicely. Someone's updated and refurbished the electrics. You'll see the photo of the power cabinet down the back there with modern electrics in it and an emergency stop here. They've got a couple of lights in under here that have been fitted as well, and they're both working. I think there are a couple of 12-volt lights there. It's got the coolant system on it, the powered rise and fall, etc. And yeah, it ticks over very, very nicely. The previous owners have rebushed or bearinged the spindle, so that hasn't got, it's got very little play in that, which is good that they've done that. So basically you've got the manual lock here. This whole drill on the pallet's on a bit of an angle at the moment, but that lock basically locks this back and forward and also locks the vertical rise and fall. So I can just take it up and down here. So that's its rise and fall operation there, and it does push back and forward there, so I'll lock that up. So that's all nice to move there. That's the reverse there. It's got a wee amp gauge up there, and as soon as that stops I'll put it into forward. So that's the control for the spindle. Basically you've got obviously your manual down here, and then if you lock that in you've got the fine micro feed manual down as well. Regarding the feeds, this is the feed speed here. 4 speeds there, and I've just locked that in on the feed down now. You can adjust how far it comes down before it kicks out. So that's feeding down. And kicked out now. So that's its feed. I'll run you through the speed range. So I'm in number 1 at the moment. So that was 340. That's 485. .670, which will be its top speed. .133. And I'll put that through a bit soon. 190. It takes a fair while to slow down. That's 265. So that was in number 1, which is its high range. The next range will take even longer to slow down. So range 2 now, so I'm in 45. Uh, 33. I'll try and move it while it's running. 23, so that's its slowest speed there. I'll try and put that through while it's moving. 59, 2 more to go. AE4, 1 more. And 116. So there's its speeds. I've taken you through those feeds. It's a really solid machine and in very good condition. It's been well looked after and ticks over really nicely.